Most people try to budget with one bank account and then wonder why they're always broke by the 20th. I was one of them, until I set up this simple 3-account system. It changed my finances completely. And no, this isn't some spreadsheet hack, it's dead simple. It works, and I'll show you exactly how to set it up in under 5 minutes. This is not financial advice, just info to help you think smarter about your money. Account number 1, bills and obligations, the no excuses account. This is where your paycheck lands. From here, the essentials go out: rent, mortgage, insurance, subscriptions, groceries, gas. It's automated, it's untouchable, no emotions allowed. Think of this account as the adult in the room. Account number 2, short-term fun and flex, the freedom account. This is your lifestyle account. Eating out, buying that hoodie, splurging on a concert, it all comes from here. Why? Because spending guilt-free is only possible when it's separated from your survival money. Account number 3, future you, the never touch account. This is your savings, investments, emergency fund, whatever builds long-term wealth. This account only grows, it doesn't shrink. Bonus move, set up auto transfers from the bills account so it builds while you sleep. Label your accounts in your banking app. Bills do not touch. Fun money, guilt-free. Future me, don't you dare. That one little label stopped me from overspending more times than I can count. If you've ever struggled with budgeting, this system might be the last one you'll ever need. Subscribe for more simple money moves that help you save smarter without sacrificing your sanity.